Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create your American Express account online in just a few steps. First, open your web browser and go to americanexpress.com. This is the official website for American Express. Once you're there, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on Log In. This will take you to the login page, but since we want to create a new account, scroll down a bit and click on Register for Online Services. Now you'll land on the registration page. To continue, you'll need an American Express card. You must enter your 15-digit card number and the 4-digit card ID printed on the front of the card. Once you've entered that information, click on Confirm. Now it's time for step 2, setting up your account. Here, you'll provide your personal information, such as your name, date of birth, and possibly some financial details for verification. Make sure you double-check everything before continuing. After completing this part, you'll move to step 3, the final step. In this final step, review all the details you've entered so far, your card information and personal data. If everything looks good, click Submit or Activate depending on what appears on your screen. That's it! You've successfully created your American Express online account, and now you can access your card details, view statements, make payments, and more. If this video helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching!